Whew. Good morning, Phong family. We are here, out here in the snow. It is the happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, whatever you guys celebrate. Just happy holidays to you and your family from ours. It is, we are here in Wrightwood, I believe. I was about to say Willwood, Wrightwood, California. Staying here at this beautiful cabin, as you guys can see. And you guys already know, we brought the SI. She handled perfectly well, bringing it here. No chains whatsoever, so if you're curious, you don't need chains, no. But I just thought I'd make a quick video for you guys. Happy Wednesday. I'm hoping that I post this on a Wednesday, if not Friday. And we are here looking at this beautiful snow, just spending the vacation here and enjoying our time. As you guys can see, I'll show you guys a little bit of a view. It's looking amazing out here. But again, I just want to make a quick video just to kind of recap this year. Not really making too much of a recap, but just saying thank you guys. This year has been a crazy roller coaster of a year, and a lot of things have happened, and we've progressed quite a lot. And I'm excited for 2020. 2020 is going to be a great year. I'm looking totally forward to it, especially since she is back once again. And we got a lot of things planned, quite a bit of things. Not gonna get too much into it yet, but like I said, I just want to make this video very short and just saying basically happy holidays to you guys. I hope you guys are all having a great one. I will be back on the grind next year in 2020 of January once we get into the Wednesday, and we're gonna try and stick with the consistent uploads once again. But again, I just want to make this video short, saying thank you guys for all the support, all the motivation, and just everything that this year had to offer. And so I will see you guys next year. As always, keep grinding, stay humble, and yeah, that fam. I'll see you guys next year. All right. Let's see if she'll start. E85 cold start. Hey. By the gas station here, and I just wanted to check on the car after driving it for a bit. It's looking good. All the ice is slowly melting off, and hopefully the ceramic coat is holding on there pretty well. But, does not look bad. Kind of still trailing some snow here, so that's pretty cool. Could even see in the rear, so hopefully that it's raining right now, so I'm just hoping slowly this will just get off. But hey, the rear's already gone out, so that's good. It's looking good. See how strong that ceramic coat holds, and hopefully it does its job protecting my paint. But, it's super windy out here. Just want to show you guys that real quick. Obviously not filling up on 91, we're on E85, but we're just stopping by, getting a snack, and then heading home. Alright guys, so forgot to keep you updated, but we are back home safely here with the SI. We made it through the snow. Again, no chains actually. Surprisingly, this held up really well, but I'm actually going to get some new tires in the next few days here. I think on Friday, so you guys are seeing this video Wednesday. I'm going to get myself some Pilot Sport 4S's by Michelin. I've heard a lot of good reviews on those, so I'm excited to throw those bad boys on there. But just want to keep you guys updated. I know this is kind of a weird video because I've already ended it, and then I'm ending it again, but just want to keep you guys updated. As you guys saw, we were driving through the snow, you know, we were leaving with the car. I didn't actually show the cold start, which hopefully I brought in the clip from my Instagram, because I did do that on there. But we're back here in the new house. Everything, you know, this whole end of the year has just been a cluster, and everything's just getting sorted out. Just to answer some misconceptions before I let you guys go, I know in the last video I saw a few comments about the interior being gutted, and there were a few out there that were like, oh my god, why would you do that? Really, just for driver experience, not even for weight reduction. So let me answer those real quick. Yes, I took out the interior for my own driver experience to feel a difference. Included in that driver experience is weight reduction, and of course I see a difference. We lost a few pounds, and I can definitely say I enjoy it, but do I enjoy the sound with all that being gutted? Not as much. So this was a temporary thing, and I might put the seats back. I'm still debating on it, but again, this is my choice. I want to show you guys that there's actually a video up here if you go ahead and click on it. This wasn't something I just cut at, because I think some people thought I cut out my whole entire interior, at least for the rear, to go ahead and gut this out. No, that is not a thing. The pieces are still here. I will show you guys over here. I have them all right here, here, and up there. The seats are actually up in my room. We have the center console piece right over there with that little trunk piece over there as well. Now again, I just wanted to answer those misconceptions. I know that a lot of people were like kind of off edge, and I know some people liked it. And guys, this was not a permanent thing. This was something definitely temporary, and I can definitely put it back if I want to. It's definitely bolt-in, easy to go, and that's it. So just to answer those, because I know I saw a few comments of those on the last video. Second, just want to show you guys how the car looks after driving it through the snow, through the rain, and heading back home. She still looks amazing. I'm really impressed by the ceramic coat, thanks to my homeboy Thavin for hooking that up. The car doesn't even look like I just detailed it today, which I didn't. I already parked it from last night, and I mean, just look at the paint. We'll do a backup here, but look at that, guys. She looks amazing. You can see the reflection still, especially on the side here. Like there's nothing. Like I don't even know how to describe it, but it just looks amazing. So definitely a ceramic coat in my eyes, depending on the coat you get, of course, or at least the brand, is definitely worth the investment in my opinion. So just wanted to show you guys that real quick. That was pretty, I was really impressed by that, because I've never ceramic coated a car before. So when I saw the snow on it and everything, I was like, dang, is this gonna stick to the car? Am I gonna have to detail this when I get home? And just seeing it now, I'm impressed. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and end today's video. I want to say thank you guys so much for the support. Happy holidays to you and your family. Merry Christmas, and whatever else you celebrate. So thank you guys. Other than that, as you guys can see, we're in the new house. 2020 is going to be a bunch of big things, especially in this garage here. So I hope you guys are excited as I am. I will see you guys next year in 2020 of January, and I hope you guys have a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and a Happy New Year's. As always, guys, keep grinding, stay humble, and yeah, see you guys next year.